Vivo has officially confirmed that the Vivo X200s will debut alongside the X200 Ultra in April in China. Today, the brand released the official renders of the X200s to showcase soft purple and mint blue color. The X200s will be powered by MediaTek's upcoming Dimensity 9400 Plus SoC, a slight improvement compared to the Dimensity 9400 in the original X200. The X200s will have a 6.67-inch 1.5K LTPS flat OLED display with extremely narrow bezels on three sides. The Vivo X200s is tipped to retain the same circular camera module on the back and accommodate 3 cameras including a periscope lens. The sensor arrangement is also said to remain the same. It's come with ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, 6000 mAh plus battery, supports 90W wired charging, and dust and water resistance rating. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.